So, welcome to the channel, my people. One love and one heart. Yeah, man, I don't know, say I Fire Reid on the farm again. So, I'm again a tour on the morning routine for the farm. So, if you're just stopping by, kind of subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the all icon. So, as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. So, yeah, man, so welcome to the farm. Yeah, man, so, you know, it's a relaxing morning, so no walk on the farm, it's a blessing also. Yeah, man, so you have a few things on the farm same way. Early morning settings, you know. Yeah, man, so you have to get a coconut in the early morning fresh. Wash off your heart. You know, the coconut have a lot of health benefit. So the company farm you have to pick a coconut also. Yeah, man, grass green and pretty, rain and fall. Yeah, man, see plant there. Yeah, man, so you're planting, so ready to make some planting porridge. So here's some paper. Yeah, man, you can see some fresh gel in the morning. I pay some good attention to the coconut, you know. So see them paper. Yeah, man, they're on the farm. I try to say coconut nice. Yeah, man, you wash off your heart this morning, you know. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to the video. Country life are the best people on the farm early morning. So I saw you do it in Jamaica. Nice settings. So we don't have to go up on the beach, enjoy yourself. Can enjoy yourself on the farm same way. Just plant up something on the farm, plant some corn, plant up some banana, coconut tree, and at the end of the day, you're gonna see the benefit. It may not be today nor tomorrow, but it's a long-term thing. So just farm up something, people, just put something on the land, you know? Blessings. So I'm taking over to the pumpkin farm also, so you can keep on watching. So I'm still gonna show you some different types of tree meanwhile I walk into the farm. So keep on watching. So yeah, man, I'm gonna tell you, say a lot of things up on the farm and a lot of health benefit and stuff. Yeah, man, so them you call them the moringa. Yeah, man, so some persons just normally use this seed. So a lot of things around us so we can use or we don't use it. So yeah, man, so this are the seed. You can chop 3 of them in the early morning on an empty stomach. Yeah, good to clean out the body, you know. So you can chop 3 of them in the morning time. You can see a lot of them. So yes, my people, as I tell you about this strategy, when I use, as I tell you, say I plant like 1 banana sucker every day. And you can see the result. But the while I kind of stop still, so but you can see the result of the banana, them a lot of bananas. Yeah, man, so they want to clean up, you know, one thing. A lot of bananas, man. Bananas like crazy. So you have to spend some time and clean up the banana them same way. Yeah, man, so now if take care of the banana plant them same way. Yeah man, so now forget the banana them air. Yeah man, so now forget the banana them a lot of air. So air is very important for the crops. So take a walk with me, my paper. Yeah man, so it's all about life on the farm. Still I show the same way amount of banana suckers. Bananas. They need to clean up and now still, but time is against me, so as soon as possible I'll be cleaning up these bananas. A lot of banana tree man, a banana a day. Yeah man, look on the farm. So welcome to the pumpkin farm people. Yeah man, so I'm going to show you how the pumpkin them stay now. So soon harvest time for the pumpkin them. So you can keep on watching. Yeah man, if you don't know, say Fire Reid is a pumpkin farmer. He loving pumpkin farming, you know. So just keep on watching. Yeah man, you can see bees them at work. Yeah man, the bees them at work, you know. I'll show you something. Look at this. So this would be the male flower, the flowers of the plant. This is the male. You can break it off. So this is the male. As you can look inside, you can see it. So I'm gonna show you. So this one right here is the female. You see the difference? So these are the female. You can see the difference. So you see a one stem like. I can look at the female now. So this is the female one. So this is how pollination take place. Yeah, you can pop off. Yeah, so you can pop off this from around it. Yeah man, so you see it? Pop it off. And you can use this to pollinate. Just rub it. So that is one way how you can do some pollination. So may I show you some different kind of pumpkin. So take a walk with me with Fire Reid on him farm, just some true Jamaican vibes. Yeah man, a lot of pumpkin. I know pumpkin have a lot of health benefits. So all you have to do, just take up some seed and just plant it. Pumpkin don't need a lot of attention. Just plant some pumpkin. And this is also organic. Organic, I use to spray it. I use some cayenne pepper and some neem leaf. So what I do, I get a drum and I also get some cayenne pepper and I use the neem leaf. You know, neem leaf have a lot of health benefit and also bitter. So I use the neem leaf and put it in a drum and pour some water upon it and put some cayenne pepper inside of it. So that is what I use as my organic spray. So yeah man, as you can see it, look at the pumpkin. Hear the sound of this one? Very, very solid. So hear the difference now, people. This one kind of sound hollow. So this one not really fit as yet. Can't tell the difference. And hear this one again. This one sound more solider. And also, you can check the stem. Look at this one. This one right beside the pumpkin. So you realize that this one kind of dry down. So that for sure, so this pumpkin almost ready. So that is the way you can tell when the pumpkin is ready for harvest. Look at this one right here. This one right behind the pumpkin stem. You see it more greener. So this one is really ready as yet. So these pumpkin, I plant the seeds. Some of them green and some of them are dry the seed and plant it. As I said, if you plant the seed green, you're gonna get a lot of different types of pumpkin. A variety of pumpkin you plant it green. But if you plant it dry, you're gonna get the same strain of pumpkin them. Most of them. Yeah man, so you see it? Yeah man, on the pumpkin farm. So here's some paper. You know your pumpkin here weigh like 20 pounds. And pumpkin don't really like too much water, and you don't really like too much dryness also. Just have to just balance. Yeah man, this one we like all about 20 pounds. So remember we have a storm, tropical storm Ida the other day, a lot of rain. Rain fall like about 2 days of rain. So the pumpkin them get a lot of water, which is not good for the pumpkin. Not so good for the pumpkin. Too much water, not good all the time. So soon harvesting time. Have some nice quality pumpkin. Yeah, I'm going to show you how I go and see away for the farm. So a lot of persons don't really want to get up and farm something in the backyard. Just farm something, man. And I go see the beauty if you see it grow. It's a good look when you see put on some blossom. Yeah man, see the bees them at work. So it's a lot of pumpkin. Pumpkin goes straight out. Lot of pumpkin. This is one side of the pumpkin. I have the other side also. So you see that one here? I'm calling one of the curry pumpkin, you know? The color it. I'm calling one of the curry pumpkin. It give you a curry looking. So yes, so people, so nothing cannot beat farming. Nothing cannot beat farming. A lot of persons like get up a morning time thinking about wondering what to do. Sometimes you have a lot of land around us. We need to just get up and farm something. Just get up and farm something. No matter how it be. Just put a seed inside of the earth. So they say, what you sow or what you reap. And that is so true. So just sow some good seed and you're going to see the benefit of the good seed. If you sow bad seed, that's what you're going to reap. So just farm something, no matter what. Yeah man, see it there? A lot of pumpkin, guys.